do not ask you for permission.
Yes.
I can even call 100 people.
Yes.
And you
Go
can
and do that. Go and do
that. Over there, we pray. We came here to pray.
And this is I'm the MCA, I'm a state officer.
If they want to tear gas us when we are praying, that is up to them.
If you heard what the Mheshimiwa had said, Jane Kihara, she said that this property was bought through a man called Benjamin Kipkulei. And Benjamin Kipkulei had a case in court with the Ndabibi people last year, a case with which he lost. He lost that case. He could not prove ownership. This land is owned by the Ndabibi people, so we're helping them in their court cases. That's why we've come for Thanksgiving. We managed to get a lot of cases removed, and we got many people out of remand, and we are helping them with their court cases.
It has really oppressed them both emotionally and physically, and we believe that with this team, we have the Gema, Wado, the Mount Kenya jurist, the media, and every other person who is supporting us. We are sure to win this battle. It's begun. We even know today that the askaris are all over, but we still believe that this we have started, we are going to win.
And this land previously was occupied by Kenyans who know no home, who knew no home, and who have never been identified with any piece of land in Kenya except the one in contest. We are aware that close to 500 members of National Police Service have been asked to barricade the area against holding of prayer.
In the capacity of an advocate representing the accused persons in court in the matter that is going on in Nairobi. And we are here to stand in solidarity and also go and hold prayers and thanksgiving with our clients in Ndabibi.